If you're running digital campaigns, you probably know how messy tracking can get without proper UTM parameters. I have just built a simple tool to make your job super easy. Hello, my name is San Singh Rathore, a marketing technology geek who is willing to give back to the community, which has taught me so much. Marketers often waste a lot of time manually creating these UTM parameters for Google Analytics tracking, Marketo, HubSpot, or Salesforce Marketing Cloud, or any other marketing automation platform. It's repetitive, error prone, and slows you down. So here is the solution. That's why I created this UTM builder with just few fields like brand, project, product line, channel, country, and date. It automatically generates a clean campaign URL for you. No spreadsheet, no guesswork, no broken links. So now I'm going to give you a quick demo about this platform. So here, sorry, I'm looking at this my second screen. So here, when you go to this UTM Builder platform, initially it will give you little introduction about it. Then you can directly go into this page URL section. You just need to enter your page URLs. For example, I'll just add this URL here, right? Then on the basis of these five fields, it automatically generates the UTM campaign name. So for example, brand and business name. So I'll just put SSR, which is the name for me. Then product line, let's say I'm giving a counseling. So I'll just add counseling here. Then you need to define the objective. So let's say it's awareness campaign. I'll select the country, like in which country I'm running this campaign. So let's say India, and then you need to select the date. By default, it will automatically pick today's date, but by clicking on this calendar icon, you can also select any other date which you want, right? So let's say I'm selecting for 26, which is tomorrow, right? And as you can see here, that it has automatically generated this campaign name. Now you need to select campaign source. So let's say I'm running my campaign on Instagram. So I'll select Instagram here. Then you need to select campaign medium. So these are the options which I have added here. So let's say I just keep CPC for now. Then you need to add campaign term. So let's say in campaign term, I'll add book call, or then we have campaign content. If you want to add, then you can put, let's say, so here you can define like what kind of content you are using for promotion, right? So let's say I'll add 15-second video, right? And when you click on this generate URL, so it will show you the complete URL with query string parameter. And when you click on this copy button, it will copy the URL which you can use anywhere, right? So it's very simple. There are no spreadsheet required. You don't need to memorize the source and medium thing, right? You can simply just use this UTM parameter, which is hosted within my portfolio, santrathor.com, and you can simply access this URL. So I have had this UTM builder on my website, as you can see. I would love for you to try it out and share your feedback. What's working, what could be better, and what feature you would like to see next. Thank you so much.